Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Game judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett. This week is week 5 of my case study in the age management category of the Skin Games. To start, I employed high frequency at level 6 using neon orange gas. The wavelength of the neon gas emits light at approximately 590 nm. Neon gas is effective for anti-aging as it stimulates blood circulation, promotes collagen and elastin production. Following that, I performed a double cleanse using Sorella's Apricot Mango Cleansing Milk. This product is infused with apricot oil and vitamin C. Apricot oil is rich in fatty acids that nourish and hydrate the skin, while vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps brighten the complexion and protect against environmental stressors. I removed the cleanser with warm sponges and a steamed towel to open the pores and prepare the skin for the treatment. Next, I applied XO8 Cosmeceuticals Placenta Peptide Complex. This powerful serum contains placenta peptide concentrate. This antioxidant-rich ingredient reduces oxidative damage to cells and enhances the proliferation of fibroblasts, which are crucial for collagen production and skin repair. SNAP8 Acetyl Octapeptide 3, a peptide that minimizes the appearance of wrinkles caused by facial contractions, acting as a topical alternative to injections, often referred to as liquid Botox. Once the serum was applied and absorbed, I utilized the Lumera red light for 5 minutes. Red light therapy stimulates collagen production and improves skin texture by enhancing circulation, which allows for better penetration of the active ingredients. Next, I cleansed the skin with a 50% alcohol solution in preparation for the Factor 5 29% TCA peel. This peel is designed to exfoliate the skin effectively. 2 key ingredients in this peel include Trichloroacetic Acid, a powerful exfoliant that penetrates the skin to promote cell turnover and improve skin texture and tone, lactic acid, and alpha-hydroxy acid that hydrates the skin while providing gentle exfoliation, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines. After 7 minutes, I removed the peel using cool 4x4 SD wipes. Lastly, I applied the Factor 5 RDS2 Serum. This serum contains Factor 5 technology. This promotes skin healing and reduces inflammation, speeding up the recovery process post-peel. Hyaluronic acid, known for its incredible ability to retain moisture. It hydrates the skin and helps plump fine lines and wrinkles. For Michelle's home care, she'll be using Factor 5's 7-day post-peel kit. Thank you to the Skin Games and Skin Game judges for joining me for week 5 of my age management category in the Skin Games. Be sure to check back for week 6.